Today we're going to show you the three key components of the Flex plugin: outbound dialer capabilities, the management of data, and the call guide interface. There are many other features available of this plugin. However, we will focus on these three key items today. The Flex plugin was designed to enhance the capabilities of the Twilio Flex product and get customers to a point of production faster. Firstly, the Flex plugin leverages the Twilio Flex product as well as the Twilio communication stack. Flex uses the task router to allocate attributes to the Flex user so that they can be skilled to the outbound dialing initiatives, as well as being blended across other bodies of work that are managed inside the Flex environment, such as inbound calling and chat. Single sign-on for these environments is available. I'm going to run through an example of an agent experience of a call. Here we have a call center agent view. You'll notice that the Twilio Flex environment is enabled with the Flex agent interface embedded inside the tool. So the agent has a perspective of their day. This view shows the agents the initiatives or bodies of work that they are assigned to, their performance metrics, and their adherence to any KPIs that have been set. To start their activity, an agent becomes available. Now the agent is an available resource for work. They will receive an outbound record, and in this example of preview dial mode, they can proceed to dial the record on their screen. So the agent is informed about the call they will make. You can see on this screen the communication history with the customer, some of the contact details, and the available phone numbers of that customer. While this is an example of a preview dialer, Flex has 5 dialer modes, the 3 primary modes being predictive, progressive, and preview dialing, with the option to utilize the predictive dialer features to improve the performance and utility of the progressive and preview dialing types. To improve the agent's productivity once connected to a customer, the agent will work through a call guide workflow which has been configured for the initiative they're working on. Call guides are like call center scripts, which also have database logic rules to provide the change in workflow based on the data either captured or already available. Here's an example of a simple use case for a call guide for an agent. And you can see that it represents to the agents the workflow and the scripting for the call dependent on that call flow. Agents will gather data, set callbacks, and disposition calls with the call guides. All of the data is captured and written back to either the customer CRM record or the data file inside of Flex, depending on the requirement. Compliance is a key part of offering a comprehensive suite of dialers. Through the administration interface, the dialer settings can be changed to suit the initiative being worked on. That means it is possible to control the dialer traffic behavior based on target regions where compliance issues are different. There are 5 dialer types. Preview dialing allows the agent to make calls by clicking to dial. Progressive waits a few seconds and dials the record for the agent. And predictive works out the number of channels to dial in the background, identifies answering machines, and passes connected calls through to the agent. The recall rules for the predictive dialer can also be used for the preview and progressive dialers, which allows these modes to run more smoothly with larger data sets. You will see below that there are a number of key settings which allow the customer to configure their predictive dialer answering machine detection to improve performance and stay within the compliance parameters of their target geography. We have found that utilizing the caller ID will increase connection rates. We offer caller ID rotation, auto wrap, and threshold-based skill assignment to further enhance the efficiency of the communication with the customer and the efficiency of the call center agents. Here you will see some of the already established integrations that are available inside the Flex plugin. Customers are just a few clicks away from integrating Salesforce, HubSpot, Keep, and a whole range of other CRMs. Flex provides a fully featured, data-driven API that supports integration and allows customers to build their own bespoke data feeds if necessary. Should a customer require less sophistication, they can simply load a CSV file and get working. It is possible to refine the behavior of the system to target contacts and improve efficiency using contact strategies for the data. Multiple data sets or lists can be running at any given time. A customer can use this data, the initiative settings, and scheduled filters to define and then execute the best way to contact their targets. Lastly, in this overview, you will see the call guide interface configuration. This is an easy-to-use WYSIWYG or what you see is what you get tool. This tool allows you to create any view, use external or internal data fields, create decision-based workflow for your agents to be able to make the best possible experience for their working day and create the best possible workflow for the contact with your customer. A comprehensive agent UX incorporating workflow, decision tree, external system integration, and scripting. So to recap, we have provided an overview of outbound dialer capabilities, the management of data, and the call guide interface. As mentioned, there are many other features of the plugin available that will support improved results for Flex customers rapidly, as these components are ready and available now. We would be happy to run through Flex in more detail at any time, so please reach out to me at david@forflex.io or david.o'leary@contactspace.com.